have the graph of the equation in where we can see how the monthly payments are reflected in the axis. The graph has a restriction in where we can see that x is greater than 1,250.
My face above the water, my feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like.
First, you need to replace the x with its value, that the value is 2374.04. Then after you complete the equation, you get time. So time is 9.99 years. Then that time, then you multiply it by its months. It's 12 months, then it gives you 119.88. And that answer, then you multiply it by the payment another time by the x value, that it's 2374.04, and the last answer will be $284,599.91. Thank you.
First, we use the equation that is 13.375 ln times 100,477.98 divided by the same amount minus 1,250. And that gives you the answer of 6.48. So you have now 13.375 ln times 6.48. This gives you the answer of 25.001 years. So that answer you multiply it by 12, which is equal to 300.012. Then you multiply it by the monthly payment of 1,477.88, and the answer you get is 443,411.74. Okay, for the next question, in order to find the instantaneous rate, first we need to have the derivative of the equation. So first we will separate the equation as ln of x minus ln of x minus 1,250. So when we have it separate, we start to solve the derivative. So 1 over x and 1 over x minus 1,250. After this, we join them using the different denominators that we have. So we multiply it in the upper part, as we can see in the video, and the denominators at the bottom. After this, we join them. We can join also the denominator by multiplying. Then we use the 13.375 with the parentheses, and at the bottom that same denominator. After this, we cancel the excess that we don't need, and we finally have the final derivative. After this, we can finally solve the problem, which is plugging in the value of the excess in the equation of the derivative. So we plug in 2,374.4 in every single x, as we can see in the video. After this, we plug in the numbers in the calculator, and we finally got the final answer. For the second part, we need to do exactly the same that we did on the first part, but we need to plug in a different number in the x, which is 1,477.98. There are a great number of benefits in paying in a higher monthly payment. First of all, as we saw in the previous problem, it will cost less interest. By the time you decide to pay in many months, you start to pay less money, but obviously in more and more months, depending on the quantity. With this, you can have the desired product without any problem.